Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech with the warchody AI smart glasses. A device that's designed to merge style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're into capturing life's moments, staying connected on the go, or simply exploring the latest gadgets, these smart glasses are aiming to be your all-in-one companion. At first glance, the warchody AI smart glasses look just like a sleek pair of modern sunglasses. The design is minimalist yet stylish, and the frame feels lightweight, making it suitable for all-day wear. But don't let the unassuming appearance fool you. These glasses pack a lot of tech into a small package. Let's start with the camera. These glasses feature an 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens that allows you to capture video and photos from a first-person perspective. That means whether you're vlogging, recording a tutorial, or capturing a family outing, you can do it hands-free while seeing the scene exactly as you do. It's designed for people who want to document their day without carrying around bulky cameras or constantly reaching for their phones. Audio is another highlight. The warchody glasses use open-ear hi-fi speakers that let you listen to music or take calls without blocking out ambient sounds. This is particularly useful if you're walking, cycling, or commuting, as it keeps you aware of your surroundings. The dual mic noise suppression technology ensures that calls remain clear, even in noisy or windy environments. You can also control audio playback and start recordings with simple gestures or a touch, making the experience intuitive and seamless. Now, where the warchody glasses really stand out is in AI integration. Just by saying, "Hey Cyan," you can activate the AI assistant, which can identify products, provide information about landmarks, and even deliver real-time translation across 144 languages. This feature can be a game-changer for travelers, business meetings, or language learning. Turning your glasses into an intelligent assistant that keeps you informed without needing your phone in hand. Battery life is designed to support an active lifestyle, with up to 12 hours of usage for listening or calls. And the glasses offer a quick, secure fit for all-day wear. Additionally, the lenses are detachable and interchangeable. You get 2 transparent lenses for daily use and 1 sunglass lens for outdoor glare reduction, which adds flexibility depending on your environment and activity. In terms of connectivity, these glasses rely on Bluetooth, allowing them to pair easily with your smartphone or other devices. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, you can store videos, photos, and audio without worrying about running out of space immediately. The operating system runs on Android Wear, giving you access to features and updates familiar to Android users. Overall, the warchody AI smart glasses aim to bridge the gap between fashion, convenience, and futuristic technology. They're perfect for anyone looking to capture first-person footage, enjoy hands-free audio, and leverage AI tools directly from their eyewear. Whether it's for work, travel, or just everyday life, these glasses promise to keep you connected, informed, and ready for action without missing a moment. That's it for today's look at the warchody AI smart glasses. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any of our gadget reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.